Happy New Year! It's a new year and a new start. Everyone has made a resolution. Mine is I'm going to eat less and exercise more. Probably. But Secretary of State Brian Kemp made a resolution to improve the Corporations Division website and the annual registration process for you. You can go to ecorp.sos.ga.gov, the intuitive website that allows you to file your annual registration from the Express Annual Registration or the one-click annual registration portions of the new website. If you're making no changes to your annual registration and you are current on your past annual registrations, just click the one-click annual registration button. Enter the name or control number of your business. Either one will do. Your business information will display for you to review and certify. Your amount due will display and you will click the Click to Pay button to pay. Click to Pay is what you click. It's real simple. Next, the screen confirming the security of your payment will display. Enter your credit card information and click the Pay with your credit card button to process your payment. I know, right? That was quick and easy. If you don't have any changes to make, one click is the way to go. But maybe you're thinking, drats, I do have some changes to make. I wish I could have used the one click. Well, hey, look, don't fret. We have Express Annual Registration for you. From the homepage of the new website, click Express Annual Registration. Enter the name or control number of your business. Your business information will display for you to review and edit if necessary, then certify. If your entity is a corporation, from the next screen, you can add or edit your officers. If your entity is a limited partnership, from the next screen, you can edit your general partner's address or addresses. You'll then be able to review your business information and then file your annual registration. Your amount due will display and you'll click the Click to Pay button to pay. Enter your credit card information and click the Pay with your credit card button to process your payment. So as you can see, whether you select the one-click or Express, your annual registration process is quick and easy. I must say, Secretary Kemp did a much better job with his resolution than I did.